Hello everyone, today we're going to do a tutorial of how I'm going to make the universe size comparison 2. So let's get started. And I'm going to actually animate this on Keynote, not Adobe Animate. So look at this. I'm going to show you how to do these objects and animate them. Oof, my battery's low, but it's okay. Charge. Okay, first you got to go up on Google and let's just test. I'm going to show you the transitions, see? Okay, that's what we want to do, but except we're actually going to move it in. Okay, first we got to look at our notes and see what's next on the list. Anything to add? Okay. Looks like we're doing these. Okay, okay. Sorry if my computer sounds like it's heating up because it just does that when it's thinking a lot. Okay. So, yeah, so DNA, we're going to be doing DNA Frankium and stuff. And we're going to be searching up the gamma ray image, which is a nanometer, or no, 3 nanometers, I think. We're not going to be screenshotting this because I just learned this. You have to copy the image, paste it, then you got to do something called masking. Okay. And then you want to not constrain the properties, like so it can do that. Okay, now we got to do the labeling. You can type type anything you want, anything you like. You don't have to do a certain thing. You just gotta type facts or maybe even opinion. Okay, so let's just type it in. Just so you know, this is twice as fast. Okay. I'm not actually typing this fast. Okay. Now yeah, we're still typing the facts. We gotta make it a little bigger. Okay. Now just group them together so they can actually go together so it doesn't cause any problems. Because it might just it might show up at a different time. So I'll just do a group. Okay, now you just gotta CSHip DNA, which is 3 nanometers. Gotta copy the image. Wait, not that. Let's not do that one. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, so you gotta copy your image. You gotta paste it. Same thing with masking. Press done. Okay, and now you gotta copy the text box so you can add your stuff. Okay. And DNA is what makes you you. Okay. Also, I don't want to spoil anything in this video. Plus, well, it's not like, at least it's not like a movie. Okay. Well, it's not actually when. Okay. I'm just doing it as a test. It's not actually. Oh, that is 3 nanometers. Sorry, my screen is cropped. I am actually recording the voice on iMovie. Okay, now next one, Frankium atom, the largest atom ever, which is pretty small. I'm gonna tell you. Okay, now you just gotta, instead of getting this one from the internet, you can just draw it. Literally. Okay, we gotta keep doing that. It's just, and then, okay, you gotta get your circle for an atom, and you can make it gray or any color you want. You can put F for Frankium. Gotta copy and paste it so you can make the ring for the electron. Just gotta do a border and then make no color fill. Just gotta copy and paste that ring. Group them together so it can be one atom. Gotta copy the text box. Then it's gonna be 3 times as small as them. Or something. Or maybe 10 times small. Okay. Now we just got to do the size and stuff. 343 picometers. Okay. Now this is large atom, which is pretty small. Okay. Looks like we're almost done with the text. And just a minute. Now, group them together. Ladies and gentlemen, we're done with them. Now we just gotta do the actions. Put them in without them out. Speed up. Okay, now you just gotta make the scale. You gotta see if it's 1 nanometer. Okay, 1 nanometer. You gotta do the action move. You gotta make it move in. Same thing with every single one, just on different sides. You gotta. Okay, that one's the first one since it's the smallest. Then you gotta make a new slide. Do the move transition. Copy the slide, paste the slide, and then meet it up with where it's moving, and then you just repeat that with everything. Okay. Now I have to get rid of the transition since that's a new slide. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have to play now. This isn't twice as fast. Okay. Isn't that great? I know. Okay. Looks like we are done now. You just gotta repeat this for every one of them, but if you want to scale the objects, when you're gonna make it smaller than the other ones pop in, you just gotta press the one scale, and then if you want to make it smaller, you just gotta make the thing smaller. Okay, everyone, bye!